Okay folks, welcome back, and this is part 2 of my epoxy marathon, as I call it, or epoxy-a-thon. And the reason I call it that is because I had parts that I needed to bond in on all 4 corners of the boat. I had to bond in these little corner pieces on the bow on both sides, and then back here at the stern I bonded in these pieces, these poling platform structural pieces right here, and got those done, and that's what you're watching right now. So this is part 2 of that video. Now I'm doing things a little bit different because I recorded the entire process from start to finish, and it ended up being, oh gosh, about a 45-minute long video. And like I told you guys before, trying to make these videos a little bit more user-friendly and a little bit more viewer-friendly by just kind of shortening up the runtime a little bit. And as you can see here, I'm already moving forward. Now I've got some chines that I'm bonding into place. I think that's what they're called, but I need this in place because when I go to put this cap on, I'm going to have something right here to bond that cap to out here in this open space. So that's what I'm working on now. Like I said, I'm moving forward. I'm trying to get this thing pushed forward to the point where I can go ahead and get this boat flipped over, and gosh, I've been talking about that now for weeks on end, about getting this boat flipped so I can do the hull. So welcome to part 2 of this video series, Epoxy Marathon, Epoxy-a-thon as I call it. And so not quite sure how many videos this is going to end up being, 3, maybe 4, we'll see. And also, like I said, I'm doing things a little bit different. And my devotional that I normally include at the end of every video, that devotional will be at the end of the last video in this series. So thank you for watching, and so here we go. This is all about problem solving. And I have run into a problem in the midst of bonding this stuff. Alright, oops, other way. That's what I was talking about. I said that, yeah, I was concerned about that Gorilla Glue doing that earlier, squirting out like that. What's happened is the parts are just wanting to shoot right out because on top of that little slippery glue. So what I'm going to have to do very quickly, I'm going to have to sink some stainless steel screws in right here, hold that down. But let me get the other side clamped first. Don't worry about that in a moment. I've got time. Let's find that flat surface and get that in place. Get these clamps down. Alrighty. Well, I hope y'all are seeing this. Okay, this one. That's good. Sometimes you just have to go at plan B on the fly. It's called Murphy's Law. There's this thing called Murphy's Laws of Combat that says no plan is ever executed as it's planned, or words to that effect. In other words, nothing ever goes as planned. Okay. A little bit of
Okay, that's done. Right there. Get that off my hands. Okay. Clamped in place, and everything looks nice and flat there. Okay. And all right, grab drill bits. I actually had some screws right there. Had some stainless screws. You thought I wasn't ready, but I was. I'm afraid something like that might happen. Let's see, drill bits. Okay, well, I was almost ready. Alrighty. Here we go. That's the one I was looking for. The one I was using the other night. And yeah, a little small. It's gonna have to work for now. Alright. Okay, take the countersink. I'll need that here in just a minute though. That bit's just a little bit on the small side. And we'll make it work. Alright, right there. And a bit of an angle. Again, this is that peace of mind thing. I mean, I'll have some stainless screws in right there. That corner to help hold that corner. And right there. Yep, that's number 2 Phillips. All right. Left them countersunk. I did not even attempt to clamp that other side. I knew it was going to want to do the same thing. I really thought those new clamps I just bought from Harbor Freight were a little bit longer than that. Okay. I'll make sure that this thing is all the way back as far as I can get it. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to. Aha! As long as it didn't split out the bottom, we're good. Stop right there, we're good. That little dog just kept on wanting to go. Let's take this face mask off. I'm done mixing cab seal. Right. That just means more sanding later. Alright. Force that in, force that in, force. Okay. And I've got to retain a sharp corner right here. I can't have that epoxy rounding off right there. That needs to stay sharp. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other side, just like I did that one. All right, get these gloves off. I can go without gloves now. All right, same thing. Lay this out, countersink. 2 screws. This will probably be a separate video. Remember what I said about trying to make these videos a little more user-friendly as far as their run times go. I'm still committed to that. Okay. Drill, drill, drill. And you people from up north, don't get your pants in a wad over what I said earlier. You know, I was just messing with you. So I will mess with you. Okay, here we go. Angle it back. Right there. Alright. Countersink. Come on. This is the point where I hope the GoPro didn't shut off. Hope we're recording. Yep. Still recording. Okay, good. Change out the bit. Yeah, this is going to have to get edited for time. That apex bent is bent. Oh, there we go. These will bend, though I don't like these. There. Just like that. Okay. And what you saw me do there was improvise on the fly.